you be independent? Have you ever caught yourself thinking, this is just the way I am, I'll never be independent? If so, you're not alone, and more importantly, you're not stuck where you are. Hi, I'm the Independent Autistic, and on this channel we empower young adult autistics to independence. Whether that means managing your own money, building your skills, or reclaiming your life, we're here to walk the path with you. Now let's talk about something important. Becoming an independent autistic starts with believing you can. Because if you don't believe, who will? Let's be honest, most of us grew up with a constant stream of messaging telling us that we can't do it. Maybe it was from schools, therapists, or even other people who meant well. But here's the truth. Just because time has passed doesn't mean you're at your full potential. Don't fall into the trap of learned helplessness. That feeling that says, why bother? It won't matter anyway. That's not your voice. That's a lie that has been repeated so many times it starts to sound like truth. But it's not. As an adult, the responsibility and possibility are yours. Who says you can't? As long as you don't say that, you're fine. It's time to change the assumptions that got you where you are. You don't need to make a giant leap today, but you do need to take the next step, and that starts with vision. Here are some concrete steps you can take today to move forward, no matter where you're starting from. First, write down your goals and dreams. Do not judge them, just name them. Do not filter, just get them down on paper, what you really want to do. Ask yourself, what skills do I need to go to the next level of my independence? And write those down too. Honestly evaluate where you are right now. What are your strengths? Where do you need support? Take inventory of your resources. Do you have lots of time? Do you have money? Do you have energy? And then get 1% better today. Seriously, just 5 minutes. Do something positive, anything. Something that moves you a tiny step toward your dream of independence. It could be watching a video, filling out a job application, drinking a glass of water, stretching for 3 minutes, writing down your goals in a notebook. Whatever it is, take the step. Because that small step done consistently will carry you farther than you ever thought possible. You can do amazing things if you break them down one step at a time. I recently heard of an individual that has walked all the way around the world, one step at a time. If you persist, if you believe in the process, if you keep going, even when it's hard, you'll get there. Independence is not a one-size-fits-all destination. It's your path, your pace, and your possibility. This is the Independent Autistic reminding you, you were born different to make a difference.